What's up everybody, we're back, and in this video I've got a hose sprayer with a soap attachment to show you all. We have a full metal sprayer right up to this part. We have an adjustable nozzle on the front, and then we have this plastic section in the middle. And this section, you can kind of see I still have some in it, is where you can add soap to the spray. I just have dish soap here, but you can use soap for your car, soap designed for concrete, or anything really. And then you have different settings on how much soap you can incorporate into the stream. Or you can do no soap at all and just do a rinse. It's on your standard 5/8 hose, and there's also an adapter to be able to attach this to a power washer. It's a very cool sprayer. It's very affordable. Use it as a normal hose sprayer or use it with the soap. I'll get this going in a minute. And one quick note, the instructions makes this clear. There are some leak-proof gaskets that you need to install, which will help prevent this thing from leaking. I've got everything connected. Let's go ahead and try it out. So we have the sprayer hooked up to our standard hose right now. There is an adapter to put this on a pressure washer too, but we just got the hose right now. And we do have low water pressure here, so bear with me. There are 6 different settings here. Rinse will bypass this middle soap part, and it'll be just water straight out the nozzle. And the rest of these incorporate the soap. This is called feed mode, and the size of the circle shows you how much soap it's incorporating. So as the circle gets bigger, you're incorporating more soap. And this nozzle is adjustable, so let's just start out. Let's see what we're working with. Got a spray. Let's see how narrow we can go. Right about there. And we can open it up again and get a wider spray. I've got some dish soap in here now. We're gonna hook it back up and look at the feed settings. So we're on rinse right now. Let's tighten it up. Go about there. Let's go to our smallest feed setting. We're gonna go at the trash can so you can actually see it. Here's feed settings. It's incorporating. Now we got soap coming out right there on top. Go to the next feed setting. More soap. Next feed setting. More soap. Next feed setting, even more soap. Now we're back to rinse. Just water. And I only have dish soap to test this out, but there are better soaps to get, especially if you wash a car, you're gonna want a car soap, but this gets the job done too.